Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. What's good y'all? Welcome back. It's the girl with the guy's name 5 4 head gang. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone A, all on a budget A. And we jumping right into this video. So I'm gonna be teaching you corporate boo boo kitties on a budget, how to slay on a budget. And we're first gonna be getting these 3 items. So the first is gonna be a Kiss manicure kit. The second is going to be our ready to press on gel manicure, $6.99, and then our mani covery nail and cuticle repair for $4.99. Yes honey, for the corporate baddie on a budget. And I'm gonna do an official intro starting tomorrow because I'm gonna be uploading every single day for the next 67 days, which is what we have left of this year 2022. We gotta go out with a bang honey, gotta go out with a bang. So I'm just gonna be unboxing the items within this manicure kit. And let me just say, for the business baddie on a budget, you already know this is my new series, Boujie on a budget honey. Okay, Boujie on a budget is under the umbrella of Biz Baddie on a budget. And I love this manicure kit because it literally comes with all of the nail essentials for newbies and for basics, just in between your manis and things of that nature, so that you can save money and create aesthetically pleasing content without breaking your pockets every 2 weeks, because not everyone has it to get it professionally done. And these videos I make for the baddies on a budget because I want to show you that if there is a will, there is a way, and I'm going to be showing you how to do so on a budget. So to begin with, the first thing that I did was actually soak my nails in some lukewarm water, well, hot water, but you know, some warm water. And now I'm just taking this tool to basically push down my cuticles and just taking the opposite side, the opposite end, to kind of clean all of that debris that may be underneath my nails, even though my nails aren't always clean honey. Okay. But yes, just for the purposes of this video, now I'm taking the cuticle cutter and I'm just kind of going in between wherever I see maybe some hanging skin, XYZ. And I'm just super excited to be uploading these videos, boo boo kitties. I'm super excited to be getting back into the creative world, although I never left, but you know, I had to kind of take a little step back to handle some real business, you know what I'm saying, because your girl is a licensed life insurance broker. So you know, building that generational wealth honey, building that generational wealth. But yes, anyway, I look forward to uploading content from my office. For those of you who don't know, for my birthday, well, at 29 years old, I became a life insurance licensed broker, and I got myself my very first office on Wall Street, and I have an at-home office as well on the 3rd floor of my residence. So, and I have an at-home office, so you know what I'm saying, just making the moves on top of other things that I've been keeping on the down low. But I am so excited to be sharing that with you guys towards the end of this year. But if you are liking these videos, my microphone keep cutting off, y'all. If you look forward to these videos, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you comment, make sure that you like this video. And yeah, so pretty much after I buff my nails, I make sure that my nails are clean and dry. I'm pretty much just gonna go in, add the nail glue at the base. A little goes a long way, because something that will continuously happen, boo boo kitties, if y'all rushing or if you're putting too much excessive glue, is that it is going to basically kind of spill over, as you can see on the sides, and you don't want that to happen. Like when you're squeezing your nails, to make sure that they are secure, some of that excess glue is going to come out on the side, and you don't want that, because then you're going to have a bunch of white patches that's dried up glue, and it just defeats the whole purpose of you doing your at-home mani, boo kitty. You feel me? So yes, but I hope you all are having a happy Halloween. I hope you all had fun and enjoyed yourselves. I was taking care of business, so that had to be put on hold, you know what I'm saying, because your girl was getting to business, you know. That I'll leave it at that, you know what I'm saying. I'll leave it at that, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this kind of go on so you can just enjoy the rest of the video. But it's pretty Look at me talking about I'm gonna let this go on. I'm gonna talk throughout this video, you guys, because I'm fast forwarding it. But it's pretty much 1, 2, 3. I love these because it helps you save time. It helps you to save money. And who doesn't love saving money? Especially if you are a model and you have casting calls. They may ask you for your natural bed nails. They may ask you for your natural bed of nails. They may ask you for a neutral nail color. They may ask you for something shorter. So these press-ons definitely come in handy for new models, for signed models, for unseasoned models, for unsigned models, for seasoned models, for corporate baddies on a budget, content creators on a budget, entrepreneurs on a budget. And then, of course, you know, you just want to take some moisturizer and hand lotion and moisturize. Give yourselves a hand massage. Sorry, it keeps cutting off. Give yourselves a hand massage. And then we're going to go in and just twist this bottom and allow, it didn't come out at first. Now we see it here. And just basically add this cuticle oil to the bed of your cuticles like this. Very easy, simple. And you're just gonna massage that in, give yourself some love, massage those hands, massage those cuticle beds, massage that oil all up in there, honey, because it's not just looking good, it's feeling good as well. So we're gonna do that. And pretty much that is the end of this video for the corporate baddies who work in corporate and just kind of want to jazz it up but still keep it short and cute. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you like and comment, boo boo kitties. And I'm going to see you on the other side of the pocket camera. Bye.